Crikey, nailing Aussie greetings. G'day mate! Today, we're venturing into the world of Australian slang greetings. Australia has a unique and colourful array of greetings that are distinct, fun, and rich with cultural significance. Buckle up, mates, because we're about to dive into the Aussie way of saying hello. When it comes to informal greetings, Australians have some of the most diverse and interesting ones out there. Let's start with the basics. G'day. This is a classic Aussie greeting. Short for good day, this greeting is used at any time of day. How ya goin'? Equivalent to how are you? This is a common way Australians greet each other. Oi! A very informal way to get someone's attention, akin to hey. Heya, a casual, friendly greeting, often used among friends. Apart from the common slang greetings, Australia, with its diverse regions, also has some unique regional greetings. How ya goin', mate? An informal way of asking, how are you doing, friend? Mate is a colloquial term for friend in Australia. Watcher, originating from Britain but also used in Australia, this is another way to say hi or hello. G'day, cobber, is another Aussie term for a friend. This greeting is seen as a bit old-fashioned now, but you might still hear it occasionally. Remember, the tone and inflection when saying these greetings is as important as the words themselves. Australians often speak with a rising inflection, making statements sound like questions. For example, instead of saying "g'day" with a flat tone, try saying it like "g'day?" And don't worry about messing up. Aussies are generally pretty laid back and appreciate any effort to use their slang. Well, that wraps up our quick tour of Australian slang greetings. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be shy to use these greetings in your daily conversations. We hope this has been helpful and entertaining for you. Until next time, Haru, that's Aussie for goodbye.